Hello po, andito po ako ngayon upang i-discuss kung ano yung mga issue o problema ng ating environment. Our environment is constantly changing and we can deny that fact. Our planet is warming up and we are definitely part of the problem. We need to be aware of what types of environmental problems our planet is facing. Our Mother Earth is facing a lot of environmental problems like air pollution, water pollution, overpopulation, waste disposal, and deforestation, and many more. Let's start to air pollution. Air pollution it occurs when gases, smoke, and dust get into the air and make it dirty. There are many causes of air pollution. Sometimes air got polluted due to the dust storm, wildfires, smoke from factory, vehicles, chemicals, airplanes, and spray cans. Air pollution can affect the health of humans, like headache, nasal irritation, and lung disease, and many more. Air pollution can also damage our plants and also can damage our ozone layer, greenhouse, and global warming. Let's be responsible. For short distance, use vehicles or go by walking and always recycle and reuse. And let's minimize using plastic bags and avoid burning plastic bags. In that way, we can help our environment. Water pollution. When water got polluted, it become unhealthy to everyone. Due to human activities, our water is getting more and more polluted day by day. Many people perform their domestic activities like bathing and washing clothes in the river. Consumption of this polluted water leads to diseases like diarrhea. Let's avoid disposing of garbage and dead animals in the river. Overpopulation. Some causes of overpopulation is improving technology and medicines. More babies are born due to technology and medicines. And of course, lack of family planning. There is a greater chance that the family members will increase. When a country becomes overpopulated, there will not be enough jobs to everyone. Since everyone can get a job, they can support their family. We can avoid overpopulation by education. By educating people, we can help them understand the effect of overpopulation. If we can avoid overpopulation, well, our earth will be less polluted. Waste disposal. Almost everything these days are made of plastic and paper. All the foods we buy are packed in a plastic, and we even use plastic bag to carry our groceries. Many of the waste created by humans, being improperly managed and causing a lot of environmental problems. We humans also burn waste because it takes care of the waste and mosquitoes. But what really does it that the smoke created by burning of waste can contribute to global warming and cause opening of ozone layer. We can see garbage thrown anywhere and this can actually cause diseases. Improper waste can also cause floods. Having enough discipline, we can avoid throwing garbage. We can do the reduce, reuse, and recycle. Let's proceed to the deforestation. One of the many reasons for deforestation is logging. Logging gathers trees so that the wood can be used for construction or manufacturing. Wood can also used to provide papers and furnitures. We also cut trees so that the land can be used for agricultural purposes such as farming. Mining is also one of the reasons why they remove trees in order to mine for deposit of minerals including diamonds, aluminum, and gold. Always remember that life could not exist on earth without trees because they produce most of the oxygen that human and wildfire breathe. Trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and release oxygen. Whether we admit it or not, we are destroying our Mother Earth. We are the problem and we are also the solution. As human beings, it is our duty to preserve nature, not to destroy it. I know until now we still destroying our nature And why? Because we are irresponsible and lack of discipline. We are not responsible enough to do our obligation to our Mother Earth. If we continue to damage our environment, we are also the one who will suffer. We believe that the way we treat other people reflect to our personality. So the way we treat the environment reflect who we actually are. A good person will treat the environment responsibly. So treat the environment well and prove that we indeed have a good personality. By treating the environment well, we make the planet a better place to live for everyone. We help ourselves and others to have higher quality of life. Whether we realize it or not, we can only live by consuming resources provided by this planet.